That one hit 6 feet left. Dude, I can hear it. It's like making weird noises going through this suppressor. It's for sure touching. And none of them are going at the target. The safest place to be is directly in my crosshairs. Oh, we're out. You guys won't be able to hear it, but I can hear there's stuff falling out of the gun. Yep, definitely a bunch of piece of lead in there. Let's see what it looks like. That's not what you want to come out of your suppressor. The first one I opened up is definitely a baffle strike. That one was right here. So that was double the normal distance, and there was already a baffle strike there.